Hi, my name is Amit Kumar and today we will learn how to create a Gmail account, or you may say it as a Google account, but it is popularly known as Gmail. So we will create a Gmail account for the first time. Get to my desktop then, and in URL you need to write down Gmail sign up. Gmail sign up. You will get following options. The very first option you need to click on it, which says create a Gmail account. Click on it. Here you will get an option which says create a Gmail account, and at the below you will get a button which says create an account. You need to click on it. Here you need to fill first name, last name, user ID, which should be unique. It should not resemble to anyone else in the world. So first we will create first name, as I am creating it for tutorial purpose, so I will name it as tutorial. You need to write down the last name as well. I am writing it down as test. You can use your first name and the last name. Here it has used automatic username for me, but I don't want it. I will remove it and write down my user name as unique one. Let write it as a tutorial test. You cannot use a space in username, so let's see if it's available. It's not available, so let's use any number. It's okay. Now I have to write down a unique password, so I will write down a password here. And I need to confirm a password. Now click on next. Now it is asking for phone number, as it is optional, so you can use your number or you can remove it. Now again it's asking for recovery email address. It's again optional. You can use your email address as recovery email, or you can skip this as well. Now I have to fill the birth date, so I will do it. Now click on next. Now it will ask for privacy terms. You have to accept these terms, so scroll down at the very bottom and click on I agree to term and condition of Gmail. Click on it. That's all. We have created a email account with the username of tutorialtest448@gmail.com. It's done. You can use the same Gmail account or this Google account to create different other account of Google, such as Google Ads. You can create Google Ads account using Gmail account. You can also create other services of Google with your Gmail account. So that was for the day. Hope you like it. If you like it, do subscribe it and like my channel, and if you face any problem, comment below and I will try to answer them. Bye bye. Take care.